In today's automotive news, we have an exciting launch that will redefine the family vehicle segment. The Zeekr 009, a luxury electric minivan, has officially arrived in Australia, and it's making a significant splash with its bold design, advanced features, and impressive pricing. Starting at $135,900, the Zeekr 009 is set to challenge the status quo of high-end electric vehicles, offering families a new way to experience sustainable travel without compromising on comfort or luxury. For those unfamiliar with the brand, Zeekr is a subsidiary of Geely, the same automotive giant behind brands like Volvo and Polestar. The Zeekr 009 is a high-tech electric minivan aimed at luxury buyers who are looking for an eco-friendly and spacious family vehicle. But what makes this minivan so special? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. The Zeekr 009 offers a unique blend of modern aesthetics and practical utility. Its sleek, futuristic appearance makes a bold statement on the road, while its spacious interior offers a whole new level of comfort. The minivan seats up to 7 passengers, making it ideal for large families or those who often travel with friends and loved ones. But the Zeekr 009 isn't just about luxury and looks, it's about cutting-edge technology. The vehicle is fully electric, offering a larger-than-life battery capable of covering long distances with a single charge. The battery capacity stands at 116 kilowatt-hours, enabling the Zeekr 009 to deliver an estimated range of 550 kilometers on a single charge under the WLTP, Worldwide Harmonized Light Vehicles Test Procedure, cycle. That's more than enough range for those long road trips, and it's an excellent option for anyone looking to make the switch to electric. In terms of performance, the Zeekr 009 packs some serious power under the hood. Its dual-motor setup gives it an impressive 402 horsepower and 768 Nm of torque. This means the Zeekr 009 is capable of delivering not only the ultimate comfort but also the performance of a high-end electric vehicle. Whether it's for city commutes or countryside adventures, the Zeekr 009 is designed to handle it all. Inside the cabin, you'll find premium materials and a technology-rich environment that enhances the driving experience. The infotainment system is equipped with a large touchscreen, offering access to navigation, media controls, and an intuitive user interface. Passengers can enjoy their journey with heated and ventilated seats, multiple charging points, and ample storage. There's also a premium audio system, ensuring that your music or podcasts sound just as good as the drive itself. As for safety, the Zeekr 009 is packed with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, making it one of the safest minivans on the market. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and 360-degree cameras will provide peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. One key selling point of the Zeekr 009 is its price. At $135,900, it's positioned as an affordable luxury minivan compared to other electric vehicles in its category. It's an ideal choice for families who want to make the switch to electric without breaking the bank. This launch is a significant milestone for Zeekr as it expands its presence globally. While the Zeekr 009 is currently available in select regions in Australia, it's expected to make a more widespread impact as demand for electric vehicles continues to rise. The Zeekr 009 is undoubtedly a game-changer in the world of luxury electric minivans, combining cutting-edge technology, ample space, and performance to create a vehicle that can suit the needs of modern families. Whether you're looking for a greener alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles or simply want a vehicle that offers a premium driving experience, the Zeekr 009 might just be the perfect fit. If you're in Australia and considering an upgrade to your family vehicle, be sure to check out the Zeekr 009. With its impressive range, performance, and features, it could be the next big thing in your driveway.